Next section, nature and characteristics of personality. First, nature. It is a combination of physical, mental qualities, ideas, aspiration, ambition, aptitude and interest. It involves physical characteristics such as height, weight, gender, etc. Mental qualities including intelligence, memory and thinking. Aptitude means mental skill and interest of a person have been influenced personality. Second, it is structure and pattern of total behavior. Structure and pattern of behavior has been determined by culture and lifestyle of a person, which is essence of personality. Three, it is the social and psychological impact. The social factors such as familial, religious, educational, economical, occupational and political impact on personality. The psychological determinants such as attention, perception, learning, thinking, memory and intelligence impact on the personality. 4. It is self-consciousness. The self-consciousness means the individual perception and sense towards environment. The self-confidence and self-actualization have been influencing personality. 5. It is product of heredity and environment. Heredity, the genetic factors which the personality characteristics derived from generation to generation. The environmental factors such as physical, biological, socio-cultural have been influencing personality. Hence, personality is product of heredity and environment. Six, personality is something which is unique in everyone. Personality refers to internal as well as external qualities, some of which are quite general, but it is unique to everyone. It is not possible for any other individual to reproduce or imitate the qualities of the personality of the individual. 7. Personality refers particularly to persistent qualities of an individual. Every individual has certain feelings as well as other permanent traits and qualities. Personality is mainly composed of the persistent or permanent qualities that exhibit themselves in form of social behavior and attempt to make adjustment with the environment. 8. Personality represents a dynamic orientation of organism to environment. Personality represents the process of learning. It takes place in refers to the environment. We do not all the traits of personality all at once. 9. Personality is greatly influenced by social interaction. It is not only an individual quality, it is a result of social interaction. In other words, it is means that when we come in contact with other members of the society, we acquire certain qualities while we exhibit certain others. All these come to form personality. 10. Personality represents a unique organization of persistent, dynamic and social predisposition. In personality, various qualities are not put together. They are in fact integrated into one. This integration is nothing but a result of organization which may be different from man to man. The behavior of a person direct to one particular individual may differ from the behavior of another person. This is a way we put the condition of suitable environment. This suitability is concerned with individual specificity. Thank you. Have a good day.